Hey folks, welcome to Apple Tech page. Lot of Mac users have been reporting that they get this account has no reachable addresses error when they are trying to log into FaceTime. In this video, I will show you how to solve this issue. Solution 1 is turn off and turn on automatic time and time zone. First, click on Apple menu and select System Preferences. Next, click on Date and Time. Select Date and Time tab and uncheck the box for Set Date and Time automatically. Then select Time Zone tab and uncheck the box for Set Time Zone automatically using current location. Now restart your Mac by going to Apple menu and select Restart. After that, check the box for both automatic time and time zone. Solution 2 is log out of your Mac and log in back. Click on Apple menu and select Logout. Then turn off and turn on your Mac. Now log in back to Mac. Solution 3 is recreate the automatic location. Go to System Preferences under Apple menu. Here, click on Network. The location pop-up menu shows the name of your current network settings. Your default location is named Automatic. Then select Edit Location from this menu. Click the plus icon below the list of locations. Next, type a name for a new location such as Home, Mobile or Work. Then click on Done. Now the location menu shows the name of your new location. Any changes you make to your Ethernet, Wi-Fi or network settings will be saved to the new location when you click Apply. The network settings in your previous location remain, so you can use the location menu to switch back at any time. Click Apply to save your settings and complete the switch from the previous location to the new one. Then your Mac automatically tries to determine the correct settings for each types of network. If you want to change the settings manually, remember to click Apply again after making your changes. Solution 4 is reset network settings on your Mac. First, turn off Wi-Fi in the menu bar. Next, go to Finder, then click on Go menu and click Go to Folder or press and hold the Command plus Shift plus G buttons. Enter the following command and click Go. This will open a window. Here, select the following files. Copy these files to desktop. Later, you can restore them. Now delete them from this folder. Make sure that they are no longer in the system configuration folder. Now empty the trash. Don't worry, your Mac will recreate all new preferences files for wireless networking. Then restart your Mac and turn on Wi-Fi. Now try to sign into FaceTime. Solution 5 is reset NVRAM or PRAM. First, shut down your Mac if it's turned on. Now turn on your Mac by pressing the power button and immediately press and hold these 4 keys together. Option plus Command plus P plus R. Release these keys when you hear the startup sound for second time or when your Mac restarts. If your Mac has T20 security chip, release these keys when the Apple logo appears and disappears for the second time. Wait until your Mac restarts. It may take 20 to 25 minutes to restart. Solution 6 is reinstall macOS. If your Mac is on, then turn off it. Next, press the power button to turn on your Mac and immediately press and hold the Command plus R keys until you see the spinning globe or Apple logo. Next, you might be prompted to enter a password such as firmware password or administrator password. Once done, click Continue. Here, click on Reinstall macOS and click Continue from the Utilities window. Then follow the instructions. Solution 7 is change your country or region. Go to appleid.apple.com/account/manage. Then go to Account and click on Edit. Now click on Country or Region. Select a country where FaceTime is not blocked. For example, US and UK, then save changes. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.